Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply style effects in the CapCut app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just select the project that we want to work with, move to the clip that we want to edit, tap on effects in the bottom row, and then tap on style effects. And from here we can just select the one that we would like to use. For example, this particle one, and after it is applied and generated, we will be able to see it on the clip. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.